Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Traffic Sport. Today we are discussing traffic signals. Traffic sign. Traffic signs or road signs are signs erected at the side of or above roads to give instructions or provide information to road users. The earlier signs were simple wooden or stone milestone. Later, signs with directional arms were introduced. For example, the finger post in the United Kingdom and the wooden counterparts in Saxony. With traffic volumes increasing since the 1930s, many countries have adopted pictorial signs or otherwise simplified and standardized the signs to overcome language barriers and enhance traffic safety. Such pictorial signs use symbols in place of words and are usually based on international protocols. Such signs were first developed in Europe and have been adopted by most countries to varying degrees. In the United States, the categories placement and graphic standard for traffic signs and pavement marking are legally defined in the Federal Highway Administration's Manual on Uniform Traffic Control Devices as the standard. Another informal distinction among the directional signs is one between advanced directional signs, interchange directional signs, and the reassurance signs. Advanced directional signs appear at a certain distance from the interchange, giving information for each direction. A number of countries do not give information for the road ahead and only for the direction left and right. Advanced directional signs enable drivers to take precautions for the exit. They often do not appear on lesser roads but are normally posted on expressways and motorways, as drivers would be missing exit without them. While each nation has its own system, the first approach sign for a motorway exit is mostly placed at least 1000 meters from the actual interchange. After the sign, one or two additional advanced directional signs typically follow before at the actual interchange itself. History. The earliest road signs were milestones giving distance or direction. For example, the Romans erected stone columns throughout their empire, giving the distance to Rome. According to Strabo, Mauryas erected signboards at distance of 10 states to mark their routes. In the Middle Ages, multi-directional signs at intersections became common, giving directions to cities and towns. In 1686, the first Non-Traffic Regulation Act in Europe is established by King Peter II of Portugal. This act foresees the placement of priority signs in the narrow streets of Lisbon, stating which traffic should back up to give way. One of these signs still exists at Salvador Street in the neighborhood of Alfama. First modern road signs erected on the wide scale were designed for riders of high or ordinary bicycles in the late 1870s and early 1880s. These machines were fast, silent, and their nature made them difficult to control. Moreover, the riders traveled considerable distance and often preferred to tour on unfamiliar roads. For such riders, cycling organizations began to erect signs that warned of potential hazards ahead, rather than merely giving distances or directions to places, thereby contributing the sign type that defines modern traffic signs. The development of automobiles encouraged a more complex signage system using more than just text-based notices. One of the first modern-day road sign systems was devised by the Italian Touring Club in 1895. By 1900, a Congress of the International League of Touring Organization in Paris was considering proposals for standardization of road signage. In 1903, the British government introduced 4 national signs based on shape, but the basic pattern of most traffic signs was set at the 1908 International Road Congress in Paris. In 1909, 9 European governments agreed on the use of 4 pictorial symbols indicating bump, curve, intersection, and a grade level railroad crossing. The intensive work on international road signs that took place between 1926 and 1949 eventually led to the development of European road sign system. Both Britain and the United States developed their own road signage system, both of which were adopted or modified by many other nations in their respective spheres of influence. The UK adopted a version of the European road sign in 1964 and over past decades. North American signage began using some symbols and graphics mixed in with English. In the US, the first road signs were erected by the American Automobile Association starting in 1906. Regional American Automobile Association clubs began paying for and installing wooden signs to help motorists find their way. In 1914, American Automobile Association started a cohesive transcontinental signage project, installing more than 4,000 signs in one stretch between Los Angeles and Kansas City alone. Over the years, change was gradual. Pre-industrial sign was stone or wood, but with the development of tar-based method of smelting iron using coke, painted cast iron became favored in the late 18th and 19th centuries. Cast iron continued to be used until the mid-20th century, but it was gradually displaced by aluminium or other materials and processes such as vitreous enamel and or pressed malleable iron or steel. Since 1945, most signs have been made from sheet aluminium with adhesive plastic coating. These are normally retroreflective for nighttime and low light visibility. Before the development of reflective plastics, reflectivity was provided by glass reflectors set into the lettering and symbols. New generations of traffic signs based on electronic displays can also change the text to provide for intelligent control linked to automated traffic sensors or remote manual input. In over 20 countries, real-time traffic message channel incident warning are conveyed directly to vehicle navigation systems using inaudible signals carried via FM radio, 3G cellular data, and satellite broadcast. Finally, cars can pay tolls and trucks pass safety screening checks using video, number plate scanning or RFID transponders in windshield linked to antenna over the road in support of onboard signaling, toll collection and travel time monitoring. Traffic signs in India. According to a survey, 17 Indians die every hour in road accidents. There are about 53 road crashes every hour, and this raises a serious question on safety while driving roads. Through 2020 has seen a steep 26.48% reduction in road accidents and a 22% drop in death against the state in 2019. And ironically, coronavirus had a big hand, but as Indians are getting back to the prompt life, do we need to worry about our safety? Well, yes, and in contrast to various answers to our universe and Big Bang theory, this one is pretty simple and is right in front of our nose. Road safety rules and traffic signs are the mandatory rules laid down by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways for the safety of every commuter. While the majority of drivers are known for different traffic and safety rules, traffic signs are often neglected. The interpretation of shapes and colors of traffic signs in India. Right before jumping into the type and categories of road signs, some prerequisite can help the drivers remember the signs and the meaning in a systematic and organized manner. If you would have noticed, the various traffic signs that we observe daily are represented in different shapes and colors. The two major factors that play a vital role while communicating these road signs, as mentioned before, are shape and colors. The Indian road signs are often symbolized in four different shapes and colors. Sign shapes. The round shape is most prominent one and usually signifies regulatory signs. These signs are often obliged with the penalty in case of violation, so one needs to pay attention and follow accordingly. The triangle shape is mostly used for cautionary sign. Whenever you see a triangle road sign, pay close attention. There is an exception to the triangle shape cautionary sign proposition, and it is the upside down triangle sign that symbolizes the give way sign and is categorized as a regulatory sign. Octagon shape is exclusively used for the stop sign. Rectangular shape sign symbolizes the informational signs and informs the drivers about the destination and navigate them. Sign colors. Red. It is associated with danger, and the road sign it also complies with compulsory rules and possible dangers. The red color road sign relate to regulatory or cautionary sign, thus one must never skip a red traffic sign. Yellow. It is one of the colors of the traffic light and has a similar explication in road signs. The yellow traffic lights are seen less than red or green. In most cases, it suggests the driver slow down the vehicle and be cautious. Green. It is often related to informatory traffic signs which give direction or guides the traffic to a particular destination. Blue. It is accompanied by a rectangular shape and is used to indicate a destination ahead. The combination of blue color and round shape is used for regulatory signs, while in most cases these signs require you to take a turn. Traffic signs for kids or students. Just as the safety norms apply to adults, there are various traffic signs that concern kids to safeguard them and educate them about traffic rules and safety. Here are some traffic signs for kids or students in India. Stop sign. The most easily recognizable traffic sign is the stop sign, and every child as well as an adult knows the symbolization of the sign, which is to halt. School crossing sign. This sign is planted on the places where children cross the streets or road outside the school. This sign alerts the driver to pay attention to the roads and also slow down to avoid any accident. Slow children at play sign. As the sign says itself, this sign implies that the driver should be alerted and slow down the vehicles, as there might be children from the nearby play zones. Seatbelt buckles up sign. This sign reminds the drivers and passengers to buckle up the seatbelts, as during an accident, seatbelts can save lives. As the children are more at risk than the adults, despite the seats, they should wear seatbelts all the time. Functions of traffic signs. The rules and regulations are laid out for the voyage and welfare of the common. Similarly, the traffic rules and signs regulate the safety and smooth flow of traffic on the crowded roads of India. The road signs are an important aspect of road safety as these inform the drivers about the potential dangers or even blockages. These alert the drivers about sensitive junctions and curves in the presence of hospitals and schools nearby. Thus, they can pay more attention and avoid any careless fatality. They ensure proper discipline on the roads. They inform the drivers about the destinations, alternative routes, and more informative facts on the road. They inform the road users about specific locations like public outlets, restaurants, hospitals, fuel stations, and more. Importance of traffic signs in daily life. The traffic norms are the regulated rules put in black and white for the safety of the commuters and other people surrounding them. Hence, the traffic sign also possesses high importance in daily life. Without traffic sign, the roads will be chaos with people crashing into each other, raging, abusing, and even getting physically violent. In a world without these norms, it would be hard to feel safe while traveling or even crossing the roads. Thanks for watching. Next video will soon. Stay tuned.